What up, dudes? What's going on, everyone? Nice and early, but we're pretty pumped. We're going snowboarding today. Okay, so yesterday was that huge snowfall at least here in Toronto. Me, Branson, Dalton, we decided, obviously, like, yo, we gotta go snowboarding, so we're making a trip out of it. Hopefully all goes well, but it's 6:20 in the morning. Dalton's picking me up at 6:45. We're going to get Branson, and then we're going to Blue Mountain. I'm very excited. Obviously, don't let the 6:20 in the morning fool you. But like, oh my gosh, that's gonna be fun as shit. Callie, I'm sorry. You gotta get up, mama. You gotta look at puppy. Oh shit, I guess I gotta get ready fast because I have to take her out, huh? Alright, pup. Let's go potty quick. Let's go potty. Okay, bye, mama. I love you. Stay here, okay? Stay. I know you hear that. Stay. I'll see you later, okay? See you later. Oh shit.
Like if someone cap chopped me right now, I'd be dead. Dog, there's so much. There's like a lot of room right beside me.
Oh shit, my bad. That was kind of hard. It's all good. I got my winter cross on.
Bro, if this is what it's like here, it's gonna be nuts in Blue Mountain. Snowboard, helmet, gloves.
Okay, so I got snowboard, helmet, gloves, my boots, my goggles. Alright, cool. I think we're set.
Yeah, I'm a motherfucker. No, I wouldn't take your girl, but I shall take her tongue from her. Can't you tell me I got a 50 on me, but I told her I keep it 100.
Oh shit!
What do you want?
I don't know, bro. What are you getting?
I was gonna get a Tuke and Dine.
I got new holy water. I cut on it. She want me to buy it. And I love get scared of let her go higher and higher. I thank God every day.
Shut up! Guys just trying to be shredded, guys. It's not my fault. Dude, didn't Mel used to work at this one?
Yeah. Ish used to work at this one.
Yo.
I remember getting free McDonald's from here.
Dude, we would literally pull up and I'd be like, on the mic, I'd be like, Mel, can you make like the most godly McFlurry? And she'd be like a size large, like Oreo Smartie fudge McFlurry.
I remember she's like, hey, can you pick me up? I was like, yeah, when? She's like, I'll get you whenever you want from McDonald's. I was like, okay.
Say less. Dude, I don't know, whatever you're getting, I don't care.
Hi, good morning.
How's it going? I'm gonna be doing a Tuke and Dine meal.
Okay.
Can I have them both the same? I'm both gonna do sausage and egg McMuffins.
I'm sorry?
Sausage and egg McMuffin.
Is that a combo?
It's the Tuke and Dine.
Okay.
And then first drink's gonna be a medium 1 milk, 1 sugar coffee.
Medium coffee, 1 milk, 1 sugar.
And then the second coffee is gonna be a double.
Greg? Just 1 milk?
And then I'm gonna add an extra coffee with 1 milk.
Ooh.
And for the second combo, it's the medium coffee double, right?
Yeah.
And then another medium coffee. How do we take the other coffee?
With 1 milk.
1 milk. Okay. Anything else?
Nope, that's everything.
Okay. You can your first window.
Thank you.
Guys rushing the poor lady and she nailed it too. The Subaru shit, because this is really a lot of snow in this drive-through. Like this is really a lot of
You should have
stuff.
seen me go through the on-ramp. Snow went over top of my windshield.
What is it, like the rally cars?
Yeah.
It's just,
No hurt me. And I want to know what this guy got.
oh wow, look at that. Beautiful sunrise. Almost said sunset. That's crazy.
See right
I'm trying to get the dump truck. Oh yeah, that's what I meant. Shut up, Snake. Damn, I should take off my jacket, or I should have taken off my jacket. I think right after. Oh, what the fuck did I do? Why did I actually take. Dude, I'm dead ass taking off my jacket. Oh, shit.
What's going on? While you're out there, ask this guy what he's doing.
I'm gonna hurry the fuck up.
Bro, what is this guy doing?
Like, is he like changing, like adding like 17 things to the order?
I don't know. He's trying to. This person's trying to get this guy to pay like numerous times.
Do you want to slide this beside you, Frank? Ah, cozy boys. Jeez.
I'm not gonna lie, windbreaker. I might toss on instead. It's not as restrictive.
Oh, I'm such a fucking bozo. My phone's in my jacket. Well,
Here we go again.
something's fucking in the drive-thru anyway, so apparently I could still do this.
Ah, what's going on, man? If I had work at this time, I'd lose my shit. What's going on?
Place to be.
Oh, good thing I got my winter Crocs.
Those the felt insulated ones?
You know it. Round of applause.
I actually have the coupon. Thank you. How's it going? Thank you.
Thank you.
Click the link in our bio at SiriusXM the Heat to join the fight.
Come take me out this mood glare. I be waiting on you with some more. Rage at the down low like bombs.
There's no ice.
Oh shit and shit. Oh, I need to get my mask. Rats. Do I have to pee so bad? Brr, I think so too. It's not cold, boys.
Yes.
Yes.
Frieza. All right, so you just show me your receipts. Awesome. Okay. Great. And I'm going to just pass them
No
over
problem.
to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay.
Thanks so much.
Okay, guys. Yeah. So that is just where it'll be.
Nope. Looks pretty cold in there. Oh, shut up. I'm brisk. Alright, well.
You filming a vlog?
Yeah, boy. You wanna? Fuck it. I'm gonna kill you. One sec.
Kind of a longer haul up here. It's a good day for content, right?
Oh, yeah, you know it.
Yeah. Awesome. What kind of stuff are you shooting now? Your Instagram?
Yeah.
Well, having a social presence is everything almost these days, you know?
Yeah, for sure, man. Trying to grow my stuff and whatnot, but appreciate it, bro.
100%. Yeah, Luke, by the way.
Teray. Yeah, nice to meet you, Luke and Ruben. Yeah, for sure. See you guys out there.
Island boy.
Yeah, I'm just an island boy. All right, we're in the parking lot. It's home time now, right? We drive home? This guy's so hyped, bro. Yo, we're going home, bro. I got some bad news for you.
This guy didn't even put a layer on under it.
I'm only brisk right.
So I just wear joggers. My legs are never.
Holy shit, fellas. Hey, ugly.
Wow!
Oh, damn. First run with the gang. Let's get it. Yo, I'm fired up. Let's get it. Blue Mountain. Day after big snowstorm where we had like, bro, that was like 2 feet of snow. That was crazy.
Yeah, there's a lot of snow. And it's still coming down.
It is. That's good. Good news for us. That's crazy. Oh shit. Oh, that's crazy. Let's get it. Oh, this smells so nice. Hate it. I definitely bitched out a couple times and went real slow, but first run successful.
That's soft, eh?
Yeah, that's cool. That's so nice. All right, fellas. First run in the books for 2022 or 2021, 2022 season. That's crazy. That's crazy. But that was soft. That was fire. Dude, first run. Now, okay, now we're trying to go faster. Maybe eat shit once or twice. Put the camera down, try and just rip. That was fun. Dude, why are you looking so buttery already? What the hell?
Fucking go over to the bowl.
Guy's feeling it right out of the gate. How's this guy got some butters going?
It's impossible to follow this.
I guess that's true.
I thought I caught an edge early.
Bro, I
and
was like almost fucking horizontal at one point.
Like just flying. That's so fire.
Slides right
Puffy
into
puff.
the snow.
I just want to get.
For guys now, a bunch of the
Brief intermission. Branson
She sent a
lost his
picture.
phone somewhere, so
Yeah,
we're trying to find it. Nice and snowy.
perfect spot to look for phone.
Perfect search and rescue in the foul.
Well, if it's the road we're at now
We're
and it's literally right
We're hoping it's just like someone
that would
found
be
it
fantastic.
and put it in a log or something.
Did you send a bunch?
But yeah, we'll see here shortly. Moment of truth in the village. I'm getting kind of hungry now.
I was gonna say it's perfect spot to stop, eh?
Yeah.
A lot of restaurants here. I know Bozo went in there.
I see a phone in his hand. Dude's got a phone in his paw. How many beers you owe whoever brought that back, dude? Was it to show like ID?
No, I just took it out anyway.
Oh.
In case.
Yo, might as well stop here for food, eh?
Yeah,
Are you hungry? I could munch.
for a second.
Guys, adrenaline is just crashing back down.
Buy fucking at least 6 beers right
I was
now.
like, do you have the guy's name who brought it in? I owe him a few beers.
Hey, gotta eat maple syrupy.
Wow, Nice. What are you searching on there on your phone that you lost?
We're in front of fucking Rusty's. So we go. Starbucks is that way.
Starbs. Dude, that's literally insane. Cook didn't even tell us, bro.
What?
That his lizard Doug literally became a doctor, and they named it a slope after like, Cook, why didn't you tell us, bro?
Why? You're gonna be last.
Snake, sorry I'm slow, guy. Slow and steady wins the race.
Yeah, I bought it like that.
Oh shit! Dr. Doug looking steep. Oh, that's so ugly. Okay, I'm going slow. Rats! I can't duck walk, I'm not talented. Oh, I'm out of breath, but I made it. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, we still out here. Woo! Oh shit, boy. Oh, he just rode all the way down. Smart guy. Come on. Holy shit. Alright, fellas. First couple down. I didn't want to take my goggles off. So toasty and warm. First rip down.
Nothing like a Heineken and a protein bar.
Yeah, let's balance. Oh, that's delicious. I probably need to have some water, but that is also very delicious.
What's water? Yeah, probably he'll win.
Everyone on their phones, drinking beers.
First run of the day, eventful one. Branson losing his phone.
Yeah, this guy is
Going
just
for treks.
idiot loses his phone. I guess getting right onto a lift, so the worker brought it back to like a building, and yeah, this dude somehow still has his phone. Craziness. I'm probably not gonna bring my GoPro for a bit. Just rip without having to worry about it in my pocket. But shit has been a blast. This is so fun.
Ready to KO right now. What?
What you guys got?
I just got a poutine.
Same thing. Pulled pork poutine though. Ketchup on a poutine.
You gotta get some ketchup. What with some extra chips.
In case there's some without Robbie.
Some extra chips. I don't get no gravy.
Ketchup. Oh my god.
Jeez. That's rich, bro.
That would have been.
Oh yeah, baby.
would've
You
gone-
already know. Let's see the pulled pork poutine.
It's a little sad.
A little sad, but it's gonna slap. This guy got chili. Boo! Yazurski? Please. That's alright. Still gonna hit. End of our day. Well, oh my gosh. Our day ripping. Look at all this snow. Nice. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Brr.
Turn lane is to the left.
Let's hit some Starbies. Get going. What's up, Beaver boy?
Oh no. Where are the keys?
And just like that, it's home time. Sad boys.
Time for naps.
And food. Yay.
We both know what's gonna happen. There'll be a sign.
What's going on, guys? My legs are so sore. Like, so sore. I can't even explain. definitely one of those ones. Home right now, sore, tired as ever. Retweet, Callie. Sore, tired as ever. Sitting here thinking like, man, I can't believe we just did it. You know, we went to Blue Mountain, just for the day. That's like a 2-hour, 15-minute drive. I know from my house. It's like not the worst, but just for the day, it was a fun little trip, fun outing. That snow, that's like, I don't want to say like once in a lifetime, obviously, but you know what I mean. Like, we just got a crazy amount of snow. I honestly think it was like almost like 2 feet, 60 centimeters, whatever it may be. That was nuts. Callie loved playing in it, obviously, but yeah, that was something else. That was crazy to board in. I'll try and get some more videos and stuff flying, but just in general, I'm having a lot of fun with this. Even if nothing comes out of it, I think it's pretty cool documenting these moments, these trips. I literally in the car ride home, like I couldn't stop saying, like I was like on a high, I was buzzing. It was crazy. I just felt so good, so relieved, you know. Gym's been locked down. All you can really do is like home workouts, and so I'm like, that was crazy. That was so fun. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you soon.